Osmo Dashcam Pro Review. Features, video quality, and is it worth it? In this video, I'll be giving you my Osmo Dashcam Pro review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Dashcams have become essential for road safety, accident documentation, and peace of mind. And the Osmo Dashcam Pro promises to deliver high-quality video, advanced features, and reliability. But is it really worth buying? Let's find out. The Osmo Dashcam Pro is designed as a compact and high-performance dashcam for everyday drivers. It offers a full HD or 4K recording capability depending on the model, ensuring that every detail on the road is captured clearly. This is crucial for recording license plates, road signs, and any incidents that may occur while driving. One of the key features of the Osmo Dashcam Pro is its wide-angle lens, which provides extensive coverage of the road ahead. This reduces blind spots and ensures you capture more than just the immediate front view. Combined with high-resolution video, this makes the dashcam extremely effective for insurance claims or legal documentation. The dashcam also includes loop recording and G-sensor technology. Loop recording automatically overwrites old footage when storage is full, while the G-sensor detects sudden impacts or accidents and locks that footage to prevent it from being deleted. This ensures important events are safely stored without manual intervention. Another important feature is night vision and low-light performance. The Osmo Dashcam Pro uses enhanced sensors to deliver clear video even in dim conditions, making it reliable for nighttime driving. Some models also include parking mode, which monitors activity around your parked car to capture potential damage or break-ins. Pros include high-resolution video, wide-angle coverage, G-sensor impact detection, night vision, and loop recording. Users appreciate the ease of installation and intuitive controls. The cons include slightly higher pricing compared to basic dash cams and limited built-in storage, which may require a high-capacity microSD card for extended recording. So is the Osmo Dashcam Pro worth it? Overall, it's a reliable, high-quality dashcam that provides excellent video clarity, useful safety features, and peace of mind for everyday driving. Whether you're concerned about accidents, insurance claims, or monitoring your vehicle, this dashcam delivers solid performance. In conclusion, the Osmo Dashcam Pro is a strong choice for drivers who want a dependable, feature-packed dashcam. It combines video quality, safety features, and usability into a compact package that's perfect for modern drivers.